Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome to today's video. I wanted to pop on to do like a little impromptu video because I've been looking at the 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta, their sale going on. I want to share the things that I'm going to go get because there's so much stuff. It's really hard to know sometimes which items would be worth it. So I wanted to tell you the ones that I'm definitely going to go pick up more of or try something of. And also wanted to let you know that I will be posting the day before on my Instagram as well. So if you would like to subscribe, I would love that. You can also follow me on social media. Instagram is, I don't know if this is the right place to point. Could be over here. Either way, Instagram is a great place to be at for me as well. If you want to follow me there, as I do post there pretty much daily. So there's a lot more updates and stuff about different things that I try. But specifically with the 21 Days of Beauty, I'm going to go over everything here, but I will be posting like the day before when something is going to go on sale. So that way, pet peeve when a hair, like one single hair sticks to the lipstick. But I'm going to post the day before, as I said. So that way you guys can get like a reminder if you were eyeballing something and whatnot, so you don't miss out on the good deals, because I often will do that. I did that last time actually. I went in the store and they were like, oh, that was yesterday, and I was so bummed because I was really excited to get the product. So anyways, I'm just gonna jump into it. I'm just gonna talk about the things. I'll post the sales on the screen and everything and the items. Let me pull up the 21 Days of Beauty right now. I'm gonna mention this one first. Hopefully I will be able to get this video edited and up super quick in time for this sale, but Saturday the 4th, that's when the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil is going to go on sale. That pencil is so good. I'm actually wearing it right now. I used it earlier. I've been using it so often, especially on the days that I want a pencil that's definitely going to do exactly what I need. It'll only be $12, which is so good. That's like getting close to drugstore prices. If you don't know your shade or your shade's out of stock, get it anyways, because you can just go and exchange it so easy. You won't lose the price just because you go and exchange it later. It will just be like a swap, so then you'll be guaranteed the sale price. Super nice hack to think about. Also, the vitamin C serum from Tula. I'm going to be snagging that one as well. I love vitamin C serum. I actually apply one every single morning to my face, and I definitely have been noticing a difference. The one I got is actually on Amazon. I really like the one I got, to be honest with you, but I've heard really good things about Tula skincare, and this one's going to be $24, which is only $4 more than the one I usually get on Amazon. And this one's regular $48, so I really want to try this. I think it's going to be amazing, so I've been eyeballing that one. The next day, in my personal opinion, to keep an eye out for is Monday, September 6th for the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. The light is actually one I used today. I had the original, the medium one, years and years and years ago, probably like 8 years ago now. Maybe that's extreme. Maybe 6 years ago. But when I ran out of it then, I just didn't purchase another one. It was kind of just one of those things where you run out and you intend to buy another one, but then you just don't. The last sale though, earlier this year, that's when I got the light bronzer. Still super pretty, especially if you have fair skin. I'm really excited to get the original though as well. I think both like have their assets, but the original is like the well-known, universal, amazing bronzer. So definitely go and check that one out as well. It'll only be $15 for the big one. They do also have smaller ones, which actually are on sale right now at Nordstrom for only like 60 cents less, I think, than this sale is gonna be. Side note, before I continue, check out Sephora if that's like more your place to shop. For me personally, I'm more of a Sephora girl. I like the point system there, and I also love the free samples that they give. So I'm gonna be getting the Benefit pencil, for example, at Sephora instead of at Ulta, because oftentimes the same brands will be running the same sales there. The next day to keep an eye out, I'm gonna mention this one even though I'm not personally going to get it, but I've heard really, really good things about her highlighters, and that's the Jaclyn Hill highlighters and bronzing blush duos, specifically the more like powdered formed ones that kind of come as like a setting powder. Those ones are gonna be on sale for $8 to $18. I already have quite a few highlighters personally, and I'm not like a huge highlight person, so I'm not going to go buy that. But if you are a big highlight person, I've heard amazing things. So if you've been curious to try that brand out, I would recommend snagging that one on Tuesday, September 7th. Okay, the next day that I'm gonna probably purchase something is Wednesday, September 8th. The Buxom Wonderlust Primer Infused Blushes are on sale, and they look so pretty. I am like becoming a blush snob. That and bronzers too are getting up there on my list. I have been loving getting new blushes and trying them out. Actually just tried out 2 new ones today. In an upcoming video you guys will see me wearing one of those anyways, and yeah, those just look amazing. I feel like they're gonna be kind of like a mix of like a cream and powder duo for some reason. I honestly haven't heard anything about them, but they just look so beautiful, and I really enjoy Buxom's products, and they have such beautiful shades. I honestly don't know which one I would pick. I wish that I could try all of them. But they just look so stunning. So definitely check those out if you're curious or if you're a blush snob too. Another product to look into on Wednesday, September 8th is the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. I am a fan of Mario Badescu. I would say I used to be like everything in my skincare is Mario Badescu type of a fan. Like I loved their skincare. That was in college, and then I kind of branched out and realized that you don't have to get everything from the same brand. And there's a lot of their products that were just like subpar that I realized anyways, but I knew everything about them. They should have like hired me to sell their products. I would convince so many of my friends to buy them, and I still love tons of their products, don't get me wrong. Their aloe mist, oh, I love that one. And I know a lot of people are like, it's just so fragranced, but it's so amazing. It is so refreshing. My skin actually loved it. I need to go pick up more, to be honest with you. I ran out a little while back and I've really been missing it. I would spray it kind of towards the end of my skincare routine, and it just was like so calming. It smelled so nice. That one and the rose one. But the item to mention is their drying lotion. Although this product is incredible, it's like 2 separate solutions kind of in one. You have more of like a paste down at the bottom, and then a like, it's kind of alcohol scented. It's really pretty strong of alcohol. There's 2 different solutions in there. So you dip like a Q-tip straight down to the bottom. You want to get to the pink substance, and then you dab that wherever you have a pimple. Do not put it on pimples that you have picked at. Trust me, that's how I've gotten a few of these scars.
I want to know how I got these scars.
I put the drying lotion on pimples that I had already like messed with. You do not want to do that. If you have like cystic acne or a pimple coming on that you have not touched yet, then I would say go for it. It does help shrink it down. I don't think it's like a miracle worker. I'm personally not going to repurchase it again, but on those desperate days when you're like, this thing hurts, something like that is awesome to apply on it. Ooh, I'm really excited for this day. Thursday, September 9th, the MAC Painterly Paint Pot is going to be on sale for $11.50, regularly $23. I have an awesome dupe for this. The problem is that I've never tried the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. So I'm like, dang, I feel like I've raved about this dupe. It's the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. It's amazing, and it comes in like the same form as the paint pot, but because that one is so popular, I'm like, I really need to try this out. I've heard from a lot of people how like the e.l.f. one is an incredible dupe, but I'm like, I need to find out for myself, you know? I need to see the difference, so I want to compare like eye to eye whether or not they really are super comparable, or if the paint pot really does help the shadow blend better and stuff. So I'm going to be picking that up on Thursday. One day I want to mention something not to get is Friday, September 10th, the Tarte Lights, Camera, Lashes. I ran a poll a while back because I am in the process of filming like a best of mascaras video. It's been an ongoing video. Truly, it's been a very long ongoing video. But I got that one for Christmas and it was awful. It clumped so fast. It dried out so fast. I don't know if I got like a dud one or what, but it was not a very good mascara. I can tell you immediately when one is not good, and that one just did not work very well at all. It was horrible. So I definitely do not recommend picking up that one. Oh my gosh, Sunday, September 12th, the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea is going to be on sale. Go get it. It's amazing. Unless you're sensitive to fragrance, then of course skip that one because it does have a decent bit of fragrance in there, but they're only going to be like $7. That's such a good price. They are amazing. The rose one and the lavender as well. They all smell so good. I'm totally going to pick up the aloe one because that one was like a dream when I used it last. Next day to keep in mind something amazing. I actually used this product today as well. I've been loving it and I'm almost out, so you best bet I'm definitely getting another one. That's the Cover FX Gripping Primer. There's the one by e.l.f., or not e.l.f., sorry, Milk Makeup. I forget their primer. I'll post it up here, but that one is definitely comparable. It has that same like super tacky textured, but this one I just love it. That is the Cover FX Gripping Primer plus Firming. But then also the Water Cloud Primer plus Pollution and Blue Light Defense. I've tried samples of that in the past and I always have referred back to it thinking about how much I've loved it. So I think I want to pick that one up as well and try that out again because I remember really loving it. Okay, I'm looking through the other days. The only other day that I see something that might be kind of fun to try is the very last day. That's Saturday, September 18th. The Kylie lip kits are on sale. I've never tried one, so that might be kind of fun to pick one up. They'll be $14.50. I have one of her glosses and it's a really beautiful gloss. I am very curious about it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to pick that up because I have a lot of lipsticks and I don't wear them like super often just because I love kissing my baby and I don't want to get lipstick all over him. I don't know. That one will definitely be like a tentative thing, but one thing that is amazing if you love glitter, the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows, 100% so good. They are amazing liquid shadows. If you want like a super simple day, but you still want like a little bit of splash of sparkle, you could do like a little bit of brown shadow in the crease and then just apply that sparkle right on the lid. It just like blends out so well. It is like very wet at first, but it just like smooths out and then it dries down and it doesn't move. It's so nice. You can sometimes find them at Marshall's though. That's where I've gotten I think all of mine actually. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've gotten all mine at Marshall's for only like $4 or $5 or $6 or something. So maybe just check out Marshall's for those because even on sale they're going to be $12, which is kind of a lot. So check out your local Marshall's or TJ Maxx, same gist, and maybe you'll find one there that you love and want to try. I see them there pretty often, so I would recommend that instead actually. Okay, so that's everything that I personally see from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty that I'm going to go check out, more than likely purchase. But I wanted to share those with you guys. Like I said, I'm going to be posting them on my Instagram the day before when something I want to go get is going to be on sale. So you can keep an eye out there if you want a reminder or something. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to join my YouTube channel. I would love to have you. And of course, social media if you would like to follow me there too. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have fun shopping. Bye. Mwah.